Hello friends, welcome to my book journaling channel. I am Elaine. Today we're looking at my winter journal, and this is made using some card packaging. I think it was from Amazon, and the packaging had this kind of folder side built into it, so I just kept that and made a spine with 4 signatures and stitched it in, and then I covered the card packaging with fabric to strengthen it, and then I added just a tiny bit of collaging with this paper of a letter, and I added some crackle paint and some pink pastel paint and just made this really distressed, shabby chic look for the cover, and this lovely image with some ribbon and some very light kind of lace. It's like, what do you call it? Chiffon or something like that. I can't remember what it's called. But that is the cover. And then I made the closure with these Velcro pieces, which I wish I had in white. I just had them in black and I just decided to try this. It's covered obviously when it's closed, but the black dots don't look so great when it's open. So with this, it has 4 signatures in it, but I've just used the first one and I plan to use the next one for the next 3 winters. So first then we have winter 24-25, and I will probably put something here as like another cover because the whole journal isn't winter 24-25, so I'll do that at a later time. And to make this, I used a bunch of 12 by 12 cardstock paper so they'd be nice and strong, and I used the Longest Night kits from Ink and Page journals, so all the graphics are from her, and then I used a load of random papers and washies and stuff like that just that were in my stash already. So the first page is kind of an introductory page. I'm showing this to you before I've done any actual journaling and put anything personal into it. I've just made the signature and then I'll be adding all my memories and everything from winter. So first we have this section, which is going to be an introduction to the journal and just a little chat about winter and what is going to be contained in this. So I have this little pocket made with some ephemera. This envelope is in the kit, like that, and then this is just one of the pages. A lot of the pages come like this to build a journal, and then I used them to I cut them up and put them in backgrounds, and then I made this little envelope from one of the pages. And then these were just in my stash. And then here are some tags from the kit. And then I made a pocket. I'm not entirely sure what I used to make the pocket. That was in it just as is, and I think that's part of another page. So is this pocket. This lovely book cover was in the kit, and then I just did some collaging with various washies and some book pages like this. And in here what I'm planning to do is a journal about Christmas, so I'll put in some Christmas photos and on these pages, and I'll use kind of papers like this. I'll just stick them down with my writing and have like a collage on the pages about Christmas. Next then there is some key theming in the kit, so let's see, with this and this. So I made this page with this ribbon I had with keys on it, and I added this little key charm to the center of the signature where the ribbon is, or the string is. So I decided this page would be about the books that I read during winter. I made this. This isn't in the kit, it's just a book cover, and this is from the kit. And then I just stuck down this piece of paper onto the back of it, and I will write about my reading for winter in here. I'll probably add some extra little things about reading. I'm not going to just list the books that I read. I want to write about reading, like where I was reading and because there's always lots of cozy moments for reading during winter, like reading by the fire. I don't have a fire, but something like that, where you wrap up cozy, you get cozy drinks, and you read a comforting book. So I just want to write about stuff like that in this section. And then next is just a general journaling section to go into more detail about my winter. I'll probably add some photos and stuff like that. So there's a lot of space on this page. So we have a pocket here, and that's just a card, something I had up in my stash, and that's a picture from the kit. I used another page to create this tab and pocket here, and I'll move this over. It is a pocket on the other side as well with this envelope from the kit, and there's a lot of writing space on this part because I want room to journal, so there's lots of writing space here, a tag and a pocket from the kit, and this lovely imagery here. Then on this side we have this cover here which has a piece of paper for journaling, and this is just another book cover that I had. It's not part of the kit, and like that there, it's nice, like a book plate. So there, lots of journaling space and a pocket with a piece of paper for just journaling. And then here I could write on that if I wanted to. So what I'll probably do is add a few small photographs, and I'll just stick things down, and that will be my general winter journal space. And then here I wanted to, there's loads of lovely images of animals in the kit, so I wanted to create a page that was just dedicated to animals. So we have all these lovely images, and then I want to write about our new pet cats. So I'm gonna fill in this part with just writing about what it was like to have these new cats and having them, you know, for winter, how we got on with them and stuff like that, what it's like having pets for the first time. So I have this little space here with this piece of paper. I made this pocket and made this little booklet using the papers again. And inside we have more beautiful images and with space to write something, and then these are pockets. My plan for the little books was to put photographs in them. So we have that one, and then I made another one here on this side. So the same thing, this little book cover and a space for writing, and then this little booklet to put photographs in, and then there's pockets here. And then that's it. That is the end of the first signature, and I just put a pocket and a little cover just to make things a bit more cohesive to finish off the journal. So then there's the 3 more signatures which I will use next year, and I will likely keep using the longest night kits. Well, like, I might change. Like, it's hard to say what I'll do in 2 years' time. But I have a load of stuff from the kits that I haven't used. I didn't print out everything. This is just the stuff I printed out that I was thinking about using. So there's plenty to work with from these kits, and they are so beautiful. Please check out Ink and Page. Her channel will be listed below, and you can get everything then on her Etsy shop. So that's it from me today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.